Come and join IMAGO, International Mathematical Advanced Geometry Olympiad. This competition will be held on March 26, 2022, online, in bilingual format of English and Indonesian language. Contact the competition committee through WhatsApp before 22nd of March to register.
Hey everyone, here's the question for this video. If the area of the yellow square is 16 cm square, what is the side length of the outermost square? Pause the video if you want to answer this question first. To answer this question, we need to first know what is the ratio or area comparison between a larger square and a smaller square that is turned 45 degrees to fit inside it. You should also realize that every edge of the smaller square is touching the side of the larger square. Now, as you can see, we can fill the remaining space of the square in order to form a perfect square. By this time, I think you also realize that the larger square is actually composed of two smaller squares. Hence, the larger square has twice the area of the smaller square. Now, let's go back to the previous question. As you can see in the question, you can find that there is 1, 2, 3, and 4 square inside this shape. The second square has twice the area of the first square, the third square has twice the area of the second square, and the fourth square has twice the area of the third square. Hence, the area of the outermost square is equal to 16, which is the area of the yellow square, times 2, times 2, and times 2, which is equal to 128 cm square. Since the area of a square is found by squaring its side, hence, the side length of this outermost square is equal to the root of 128. Finally, you can simplify this root equation where the side length of this outermost square is equal to 8 times root of 2 cm. Thank you for watching this video.
Come and join IMAGO, International Mathematical Advanced Geometry Olympiad. This competition will be held on March 26, 2022, online, in bilingual format of English and Indonesian language. Contact the competition committee through WhatsApp before 22nd of March to register.